It's like the storm part, the rain and the wind part is over, and now the lightning is fucking kicking in full force.
Well, that's the way it was before it started raining. There was no rain, it was just a little windy. It was really windy.
How come I'm not picking it up now? Oh, never mind.
It was real windy.
Pick up some damn freaks. They were everywhere, and now they're nowhere. Man. We need to buy some more candles. We're down like one candle or one emergency candle out there. Is it actually starting to stop some? No.
Oh, I just saw a streak.
I'm trying to catch one on camera here, but they
Well, you got one, didn't you?
Yeah.
You'll be able to, like, edit it and, like, you could slow it down and...
You know something, it sucks because I was reading online these Kodak Easy Share cameras. Oh, I got that one.
Alright.
These Kodak Easy Share cameras all use QuickTime Movie, and you can't
edit it.
put QuickTime onto like
media player?
Media Player or the Windows Movie Maker or anything like that. That's why I downloaded that software. Somebody suggested this one software to convert it, but I don't know how to do it. I would have to mess around with it for a while. Whoa, I got that too. How have we not gotten our asses fried? Don't go outside. Alright.